In this video, I will show how to set B5 paper size in Microsoft Excel. So guys, you have to click on this page layout. If you don't have this option, so file, then options, and click on this customize ribbon and make sure this page layout is selected. If it's not selected, select it, then click on OK. Now just click on page layout, size, and select here B5. So this is the way you can set B5 paper size in Microsoft Excel. And once you guys print, file, and print, so you can set up print and you can set up this page for printing. So here you can select portrait or landscape. You can change margin, and here are some more options you can select as your requirement. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.